Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Maths. So in this video I'm going to explain different models from percentage concept. So these are very important in exam point of view. So this is the second video on percentage concept. So once see first video, in that I explained definition and basic concepts of percentage. I'm going to give the link in description. Let's coming to the topic. First model is the monthly income of a person is 5000 rupees. If his income is increased by 30 percentage, then what is his monthly income now? Okay, so here the monthly income of person is 5000. This is the original price income, so that's why this one considered as 100 percentage. Okay, 5000 rupees. Next, now if his income is increased by 30 percentage, so it is increased by 30 percentage, then overall it will become 130 percentage of original income, so of 5000, then you will get new income, so that is equals to 130 by 100 into 5000. Nothing is there means by 1. This two zeros gets cancelled. 130 into 50, 6500. Okay, like this you will get new income. Okay, let's coming to the second example. The price of a certain article is 15,000, but due to the slump in the market, its price decreases by 8 percentage. Find the new price of the article. Okay, so here also same. The price of article is 15,000, so that's why take 15,000 as 100 percentage. Okay, then due to the slump in the market, its price decreases by 8 percentage. Means it is decreased by 8 percentage. Then overall you will get 92 percentage of original price 15,000. Then what will get 92 by 100 into 15,000. Nothing is there means by 1. This two zeros gets cancelled. That is equals to 13,800 you will get. So this is the new price of that article. Okay, next. So this is the second model is very important and little bit logical. Let's see. So A salary is 25 percentage higher than B salary. Then how much percentage B's salary is lower than A salary? So first try to understand the given question. Is comparing A salary is 25 percentage higher than B salary. Is comparing A salary with B salary. Okay. Now what you have to do? We have to compare B salary with A salary. Okay. So now A salary is 25 percentage higher than B salary. Is comparing A salary with B salary, no? So that's why take B salary as 100 rupees. Then A salary is 25 percentage higher than B salary. So then A salary will become 125 rupees. What is the difference here? 25 rupees. Okay, we have to compare this difference with A salary. So that's why 25 by we have to compare with A salary, no? So that's why 25 by 125. We have to take A salary in denominator into 100. Nothing is there means by 1 percentage. So 25 ones, 25 fives, and 5 ones, 5 20s. That is equals to 20 percentage. Okay, so therefore B salary is 20 percentage lower than A salary. Like this we have to solve. Let's see one more sum. So A salary is 20 percentage less than B salary. So he's comparing A salary with B salary. What you have to do? Then B salary is more than A salary by how much? So we have to compare B salary with A salary. So then A salary is comparing with B salary, no? So that's why similar. Take B salary as 100 rupees. Then A salary is 20 percentage less than B salary. So then A salary will become 80 rupees. Then B salary, what is the difference here? 20 rupees. So then B salary is more than A salary by. Now we have to compare this B difference with the A salary. So that's why take 20 rupees difference in numerator and we have to compare with the A salary. No? So that's why take A salary in denominator. 20 by 80 into to write in percentage into 100 and write percentage symbol. Then 21s 24s 4 ones 4 25. So that is equals to 25 percentage. Okay, like this. Next, third model. If income of Suman is first increased by 7 percentage and then it is decreased by 7 percentage, what is the change in his income? So remember, when one quantity is increased by some percentage and again decreased by some percentage, same percentage, then automatically the overall change equals to, it will decrease, overall it will decrease. Okay, so let's see how much amount it will decrease. Okay, so first income of Suman we don't know, so that's why I am assuming Suman income 100 rupees. This is originally, it is increased by 7 percentage. Case 1, it is increased by 7 percentage, then it will become, this income will become 107 rupees. Now case 2, it is decreased by 7 percentage, again it is decreased by 7 percentage. Here it is means this 107 is decreased by 7 percentage, means this 107 rupees have to consider as 100 percentage. Based on this we are decreasing, so it is decreased by how much percentage? 7 percentage, means minus 7 percentage, then it will become 93 percentage of 107, then that is equals to 93 by 100 into 107, nothing is there, means by 1, that is equals to, you'll get 9951 by 100, that is equals to 99.51 rupees. So originally the income is 100 rupees. After increasing by 7 percentage and decreasing by 7 percentage, the resultant income is 99.59 rupees. So how much percentage it is decreased? 0.49 percentage. And minus represents decreasing. so it is decreased by 0.49 percentage. Okay, so without doing this all this calculation we can find directly. This is very useful shortcut method. Okay, so price of a book is decreased by 20 percentage, then increased by 20 percentage. So here first we are decreasing by 20 percentage and increasing by 20 percentage, so that's why this one take as some x. Then the overall change equals to x by 10 whole square percentage, means here x equals to 20, no, so therefore 20 by 10 whole square percentage, 0 gets cancelled, and that is equals to 4 percentage. But already we discussed overall it will decrease, so that's why the overall change equal how much, it is decreased by 4 percentage. So like this, by using the shortcut we can find. It's better to use shortcut. I hope everyone understand these models. So in next video I will explain some more models on percentage concept. So please, if you like this video, please watch and share it. Thank you everyone.